Nakakalabas din yun ng stress sa totoo lang. Maniwala kayo. Hindi totoo.
Oo naman.
It makes you, hindi, I'm honest,
Aray ko, nananakit to. O tignan nyo, witness kayo. Hi there, this is Chink Tan, also known as Mr. Chink Positive.
Ako po si Novian Tan, ang inyong happy wife dahil the grace of God.
Yes, ang ganda-ganda niya talaga. Oh, sa quarantine. Ako na, tignan mo. Oh, ganda ng gupit mo.
Alam mo ba, siya, grabe lang. Ginupitan niya ang sarili niya. Hindi siya nagtitiwala sa akin. But
Yes!
it's good. Grabe yung mga clippers, as in demand.
Hindi, alam mo kasi ito lang mga friendship Pagka nagpagupit ka sa asawa mo, di ba? Pag nagpagupit ka at hindi magandang labas, sisisihin mo siya. Pero pag ikaw gumawa, sino sisihin mo? Ikaw.
Hindi lang siya nagtitiwala sa akin.
Hindi. Yun, I don't like to blame. So guys, nasa Happy Wife, Happy Life channel po tayo ngayon. Wala kayo sa iHomeschool channel, wala rin kayo sa Chink Positive channel. Nag-collaborate po kami dito po sa Happy Wife, Happy Life. Itutuloy po natin ngayon ang pag-uusapan po natin how to keep your sanity as a couple during ECQ. Pero bago natin pag-usapan yan.
Part 2.
Pero bago natin pag-usapan yan, don't forget to subscribe in this channel sa Happy Wife, Happy Life. Click the bell button, sama nyo na rin pati yung all. Di ba sana all? Para lahat ng mga videos mapapanood nyo na. Oo naman.
Di ba na yun?
Ay, ngayon, alam mo na. So ngayon, last time na pinag-usapan po natin ang number 1 na kailangan po natin gawin, di ba? As a couple talaga. Sa sobrang stressful ang situation ngayon, kailangan we should be sensitive with each other. Huwag tayong masyadong condemning huwag tayong prejudging. And then number 2 po, be aware of the challenges. Ano ba talaga mga issues nyo, pinagdadaanan nyo, and then try to find solution. And number 3, give yourself time out. Diba? Respect each other's
comfort zone.
At kung gusto nyo pala mapanood ang video na yon o yung buo po, nandoon na po sa description box, sa comment box po yung link para ika nga mapanood nyo yung number 1, part 1. Right now, let's go to number 4.
Yes. This is the time parang yung sanity po natin ay intact. We need to use this time to bond. Alam nyo, whether we like it or not, maybe we can have a different perspective. Treat this as a long holiday. Japan! Di ba? Meron ngayon, ano yung sinasabi mo kanina yung...
Ano yun? Baguio Terraces.
Baguio Terraces.
Kwarto Prinsesa.
Kwarto Prinsesa.
Oo,
So imagine when our very long vacation. Each night kasi kami, meron kami ginagawa. Minsan, kami mga anak ko, we try to watch old movies. They love old movies. Meron ganon. Monday na kami, nag-walk kami every day. Yung mga ganun. Pwede kayo magkaroon ng thematical theme.
Every day, di ba?
Oo.
Minsan nagpa-play sila ng cards, di ba?
Yes. Ang bahay natin, we can make it more, it's not boring. You can be creative in this time.
Actually, natuwa rin kami nung kagabi ngayon, nung nagti-TikTok, di ba? Yung parang children's edition saka parents edition.
Oo nga. Nakakatawa kasi nakaka-break yun ng mga pwedeng alalahanin mo sa buhay. We can try by identifying the challenge. We need to accept it, and I think this is the time to embrace it, but embrace it with joy rather than mag-aaway lang kayo, di ba? Or mag-iisip ka lang ng worry. It doesn't add making meaningful memories. Make this time to build memories na alam mo matatandaan mo. Siyempre, I'm sure 10 years from now, pag-usap, yung quarantine, yung lockdown, ginawa natin. Alam mo, ang ganda. So, make creative ways for you to bond with one another. Kasi meron yun.
In other words, kasi parati tayo nagreklamo na wala tayong time, busy tayo. Right now, we have all the time. You have no excuse to really bond with the family. Kasi mga gadgets na yan. Let's go to number 5. Number 5 po, ito. Ikaw o ako?
Gusto ni Chinky Tan.
Get intimate! Yes!
Ay, nako! Totoo yan. You need to be
intimacy.
intentional.
In terms of, syempre kailangan natin ng support, hindi lang mental, hindi lang emotional, hindi lang spiritual, pero physical. Diba?
Hugging, kissing, skin to skin. Alam nyo na yun. Baka ma-censored ba tayo?
Hindi kasi, alam mo ba, pagka lang, di ba, pagka, di ba, private moment kayo, pagka skin to skin, it releases the, what we call as oxytocin.
Kasi ako sa totoo lang, I like that. That's one of my needs. Kasi, not necessarily sex, no? But it gives me security that I am still wanted in that way. So, kailangan i-assure mo physically. So, I know, minsan you don't feel like it, especially tayo mga babae, dahil pagod na tayo sa mga ginagawa natin sa loob ng bahay. But, be intentional on that way. Kasi, nakakalabas din yun ng stress sa totoo lang. Maniwala kayo. Hindi totoo.
totoo naman.
It makes you, hindi, I'm honest,
Ay ko, nananakit to. O tignan nyo, witness kayo.
Hindi kasi you can be safe on that end.
Feeling safe.
Feeling safe.
Oo. At saka,
Happy.
feeling love. Okay.
O ikaw, totoo yun. Ako na nagsasalita.
Hindi, totoo naman. Ako wala namang sinasabi.
What do you feel?
Hindi, para sa kalalakihan talaga, napakalaking need yung tinatawag na SEX.
Baka yun sabihin.
Yes, sinabi ko naman
Sinabi mo?
Sinabi ko, di ba? Let's go to number 6. Number 6 na po. How to keep your sanity as a couple? Keep calm and be kind to animals. Be kind to one another. Di ba? Kasi minsan talaga, kahit na minsan nakakabuang na talaga ang partner mo. Di ba? You do not, parang...
Saka minsan, nagbaburst ka, hindi mo maiwasan talagang may inis ka, magagalit ka. One way or another. To the point na yun nga. So, be kind with one another. Try to understand one another, no? Kasi, the important thing is we need to deal this together. Kindness can be very, very, like, naka 50% alam mo yun, naka-crossover ka na on that end. Na kaysa i-judge mo yung bakit siya nag-react ng ganun dahil sa ganitong situation, wag nyo lang gawin. Kasi when you do that, you're creating a safe environment. You're creating a safe atmosphere when you're kind with one another.
In other words, the situation is already hard. Wag na natin pangdagdagan. By being, mean towards one another, by being disrespectful to one another, hindi siya nakakatulong. Let's go to number 7.
Yes! This is the last one! Wow!
Oo, number 7. Anong
grabe.
kailangan natin gawin in order for us to keep sanity?
Yes, this is number 1 for me. We need to seek God together and help others. Okay, how do we do that? I mean, Chinky, meron kaming, what we do, so we try to, when we wake up in the morning, we do our own communication with God, and then sometimes we attend a prayer meeting in the morning.
Yes.
That's what we do. And we pray for one another. In the nighttime, meron kaming, it's not a tradition ever to, before quarantine, ginagawa na namin this with our kids kasi ang lalaki nila. Dati, Devo kami. But sometimes, to be able to feel our kids also hopes and dreams, we try to ask questions lang, what is your high, what is your low, and then we pray for one another and we pray for others. And then, also, we use our situation to make ways na saan pa kami makakatulong one way around sa aming neighbors. Kami, in our own little way, yun, nagpadala kami ng mga, pagkain sa neighbors namin just to say na, hey, we're here. We're here. You're not alone. We're here in this conversation. And kung alam nyo na makakatulong kayo na yung makakontain na hindi naman kayo dapat actually lalabas, if you have extra money that you could be able to, plant a seed of hope for others, then do that as well. As long as nag-agree kayo, wag po kayong tutulong sa iba na hindi alam ng asawa nyo. Okay, mahirap yun. Okay?
Sige. Ito lang para sa akin, seek God in times of crisis. He is the hope. He's really the one that can really... Kaya nga we should learn as a couple together. We need to really help, di ba? Help, each other. We also need to help others. But more important, we need to ask God. We need to really ask God. Kasi sa panahon ngayon talaga, without God, ang hirap. Yung talagang the one that really gels us together, right? And glue us together is our spiritual walk. It's our faith. Ito lang po importante, no? Ito ulit ang pinag-uusapan natin. 7 things to keep your sanity as a couple. Number 1, be sensitive with the feelings of each other. Number 2 is what? Be aware of the challenges. Number 3,
take your own time and, have your space. Don't be guilty about it.
Number 4, use this time to what?
To bond. Wow, ang daming pwedeng pagbandingan.
And then number 5, yung favorite ng mga lalaki, get intimate.
Yes, intimate.
Number 6 po, keep calm.
Be kind with
at
one
saka
another.
be kind with one another. And then number 7 po, learn how to seek God.
And help others. Kasi, na-realize ko rin, Mahal, when you think of others, it breaks away to your dilemma na you're always thinking of what
Yung
you feel.
selfishness, yung
Oo.
self-centeredness.
Ito yung time, hindi lang tayo, aminin po natin, hindi lang po tayong naghihirap. Madami pong mas taong naghihirap sa sitwasyon natin. Okay, we're gonna make lang a disclaimer, no? This is our all suggestion, even in Happy Wife, even in our previous talks with you with our YouTube accounts and everything in our FB Live. We're not saying that you should do everything that we do. This is only a suggestion. Ika nga tip. Just pick 1 or 2 ideas. Okay? And if you can do it and it works for your family, then do it.
I can assure you that it will also keep you sane. So guys, ito lang if you haven't watched also, may ginawa kaming video yung how to protect your marriage during crisis.
Yeah.
How to protect your marriage during crisis. If you want, please search it also sa Happy Wife.
Yeah.
Para sa mga
And
taong
share it.
hindi nyo pa napanood yung part 1 nitong how to keep your sanity as a couple during ECQ, nasa comment section na po. Yung link at saka yung description, please also follow. Okay? And then, syempre, may channel ka pa?
Yes, please. All the things that can happy the family, that is my husband, our family's advocate. So, if you have any concerns about homeschooling, how to homeschool your kids, please go to iHomeschoolPH, whether it's Instagram, YouTube, or FB Live. At magkakaroon na rin po kami ng podcast. Tandaan, hintayin po natin yon.
Yes.
And then, syempre, kung meron po tayong problema sa finances, kung sa paglabas, ano bang gagawin natin, please go to Chinky Tan. And we also have a lot of digital copy of our books. So please, you can also get that in Chinky Tan's website as well.
Yeah, maraming salamat po sa pag-tune in sa channel nito. Our prayer is during this crisis po, as a couple po, kailangan magsuportahan tayo and then pray with one another and pray and support one another. This Chinky Tan saying, kapag may happy wife,
May happy life! Be safe!
Yes.
Huwag na po tayong lumabas.
Okay, salamat po. Bye!
Bye!